Shiv Shakti Interglobe Exports Private Limited would like to welcome you. This legacy was established by Mr. Pannalal Gupta, whose dream and main goal was to reject the established custom and introduce a novel method of rice processing. His son, Mr. Ramesh Chandra Gupta, who is currently the business chairman, received the mantle as well. Over the past 3 decades, he has been methodically expanding the business. He received praise from all across the world for his dedication. Shiv Shakti is one of India's leading rice firms with a portfolio of over 200 B2B brands globally, thanks to Mr. Aman Gupta, the oldest son of Mr. Ramesh Gupta, who was appointed as a director in 2008. The brand, which has aided the advancement of country for more than 35 years, is known around the world due to the faith people has been placed in it and its commitment to ensure the better basmati rice is accessible everywhere. Shiv Shakti Interglobe Exports Private Limited, a powerful and newly established name, has become the nation's rice industry's bulwark. Shiv Shakti employs over 2,000 people, and our broad paddy farmers network reaches out over 2,000 farmers. By cutting a long chain of brokers and middlemen, we at SSIEL deliver authentic quality. We use both conventional and contemporary method to make our basmati grains, beginning with the purchase of paddy from mandis. Leading technology companies like Buller and Satake Rice Milling Solutions provide us fully automated machines and equipment. In the center of the basmati growing region, on more than 60 acres of land, are 2 cutting-edge processing facilities. A small village, Tarauri, the site of the battle, serves as the headquarters for SSIEL Unit 1, while Nising in the Karnal district of Haryana, India, serves as the headquarters of Unit 2. With 95% of trade volume, SSIEL has successfully penetrated the high-end worldwide market. Our current export and processing capability exceeds 300,000 MTS annually. SSIEL became a leading basmati rice exporter as a result, representing our country on a worldwide rice platform. Customers all over the world hold a special place in their heart for SSIEL due to its unwavering praise and the unwavering faith of purchaser today. SSIEL began its adventure in the rice processing industry with the establishment of a rice mill in 1967. SSIEL is constantly dedicated to institutional building, collaboration, innovation, and initiative of healthy business. It all started with rice milling and an entrepreneurial goal to provide the greatest rice grains to homes around the world.